Anurag from ID Roorkee, and we would be continuing discussing our top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And our today's question is reverse nodes in K group. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So this question states that given the head of a linked list, reverse the nodes of the list K at a time and return the modified list. K is a positive integer and is less than or equal to the length of the linked list. If the number of nodes is not a multiple of k, then left out nodes in the end should remain as it is. You may not alter the values in the list nodes, only nodes themselves may be changed. Example number 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and the k is given as 2. So, 1 and 2 would be set in reverse order. So, it will become 2, 1, 3, 4 will become 4, 3, and 5 will remain as it is. In example number 2, linked list is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and k is given as 3. So 1, 2, 3 in reverse position would become 3, 2, 1, and 4, 5 would remain 4, 5 only. So number of nodes in the list is n, and k varies from 1 to n, and node dot value varies from 0 to 1000. Follow up: can you solve the problem in O1 extra memory space? So we'll solve this question in O1 extra memory space only. So this is the question explanation, and in order to solve it, we will start iterating the linked list from starting, and we will go forward k times, and then we will also store from where we have started iterating, and then we will reverse this linked list part. Then we will set the starting as this, and then we will keep on moving forward k times again, and then we will reverse this part of the linked list, and similarly we will also assign these pointers in the correct way. So let's go to the code and see how we are going to implement it. So we have to implement this function class list node star reverse k group. We are given parameters as list node star head and int k. We are defining int count is equals to 0 initially, and list node star left is equals to head, head 2 is equals to head, and list node star next, previous equals to null, start f, answer, and last f. Then we are defining bool first is equals to false. This keeps a track of like whether this is a first linked list which we are reversing or not, and then we will iterate through our linked list while head is not equals to null. So we will increment this count plus plus, and we will set head is equals to head dot next, and we will check if count equals to k. So if count is not equals to k, then we will not do anything, we will just move forward. And if count becomes equals to k, so in our case, if we see in this case, uh, count will become equals to k when head would be pointing to, initially count would be 0 and head would be pointing to this, then count will become 1 in our first loop and head would be pointing to this, then count will become 2 and head would be pointing to this. So head is pointing here and left was pointing to head. So if count is equals to k, then we are setting start f is equals to left, means we are storing this pointer as well as start f, and then we are reversing this linked list. So we are reversing this one, left is here and our head is here, so we are reversing this linked list 1 2, and finally we are checking if first is not equals to false. So if first is false, then we will set first as true and we will set answer as previous, because if we are encountering this first linked list, then we need to keep in track of what would be our answer, and else we'll set last f next is equals to previous. So and we will also set last f as start f, and then we will define our count equals to 0, so the counting begins again. So this process will keep on repeating, and finally we'll set last f next is equals to left, and then we'll finally return our answer. So this is the code, and let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine or not. So yeah, this is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, this solution is getting accepted, and this is also in a constant space solution. So this solution is working fine, and like this video, and like subscribe to my channel for more such top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And I will also attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So thanks and have a nice day.